I founded 2 AI startups and one of them got acquired within 8 months. So in this video, I'll share with you 10 AI startup ideas so you can have a profitable business. And the best part, most of them you can start right now. So let's start with personalized AI finance assistant. And of course, how you can monetize that. Personal finance become more and more popular, especially with the rise of AI tools. AI financial literacy and automation becomes really a necessity for people these days. And more people are looking for some ways to understand and get some help and support of managing their money. AI makes people richer by managing their money in the right way. AI can watch every dollar spent, spot hidden fees, and find better investment opportunities. And there is 2 ways to monetize this app. You can offer a premium model. For example, some limited features which people can use for free, that you will grow your user base and people really will see the value that they have. Some features are for free forever. And then if they would like, for example, to get a personalized insight of their investment opportunities, they have to pay. Second, you can use affiliate programs and partnership. With affiliate programs, you promote products or services from other companies within your app and earn commission for each sale made. Or you also can show advertisement on your application. And this way, every time user see the application, you earn some money. Now, how much you should take the commission as affiliate? It's about 1 or 2% from each sale made. But for some businesses, it could be even 10 or 15%. So the second startup idea you can start right now is Hyperlocal e-commerce platform. Let's say you own a local clothing store in your town. Right now, you're competing with a massive online retailers like Amazon. You're losing because there is no way you can really distribute your clothes. Of course, you could be registered on Amazon, but then there is not that thing, that localization. So people will search amount of all the opportunities which could be offered on Amazon. But there is a platform that could actively promote your local businesses, provide fast delivery, and create a direct connection between local sellers and actually the buyer. This is where Hyperlocal e-commerce platform really comes in. The benefit of using Hyperlocal platforms is it guarantees same-day delivery within your city. It takes smaller commission because the distance is not that big. It uses local gig workers for delivery, creates jobs in your area, and highlights the unique stories behind local products, and allows small businesses to compete with big retailers, at least at their place. So, third startup idea. And to be honest, so far, it's one of my favorite ideas. It's mental wellness companion, which in simple terms means mental health support. Just imagine if someone is struggling with stress, anxiety, they can really access the mental support 24/7. That 24/7 availability will cost them as a cup of coffee. It would be not a cost of hiring psychologists or who really very important when your problem is very big. AI cannot help you. But in case when constant stress, anxiety, and other things, and you just want to make your thoughts clear, right? So this is where AI personal therapists and life coaches can turn back thousands of hours and dollars for every person. You can make money from this application if you decide to create it, and I think it's not that complex with the availability of different models from OpenAI, Gemini, and many others. So you can use just subscription model as any other application, and you also can partner with different therapists. For example, in case your user really requires more professional help than just AI, then you can offer through this platform also the human help. In a free version, you can gain access to basic custom meditation plans and tools and protocols to reduce stress, as well as insights emotional pattern. But what you can do for the paid version of this app is to give them AI therapist or AI coach, generative AI, OpenAI, ChatGPT, but fine-tuned the topic of psychology. It's better, of course, to work in this case with the real professionals who can help you to understand what you have to put in customization of your AI tool in order it really will help many people. So in this case, you can charge a monthly subscription for using this tool, and it could be about $29 or more per month. You also can upsell them the access to other features and charge about $99 per month or more. If, for example, they need a human therapist, then it all depends on how much therapists will charge you. So, okay, the solution number 4. You can create climate home solutions, which simply means AI marketplace that helps people to buy eco-friendly products that actually save them money. Let's say you want to make your home more eco-friendly. Right now, you are spending hours researching products and comparing prices, and you're still not sure if $300 thermostat will actually save you money. You want to help the environment, but you don't want to waste your money on green products which really don't work. But what if AI can analyze your energy bills and then tell you exactly which eco-friendly products you have to purchase in order to save money and help the environment? To have personalized insights that shows you that you save $1,500 per month by switching to these LED lamps, or that solar panels would pay for themselves in exact 3 years for your home. And here is how you can monetize this platform. In free version, users get access to the basic AI analysis of their home's energy and so on. So this could cost about $19 per month. They can get AI analysis of their home, custom energy saving plans, exact calculation of money saved, and many other things. Depends on what you would like to add. But you make money based on these 3 ways. First, it's monthly subscription from users. Second, it's 15 commission from every eco product sold from your platform, because you're not just recommending them, you also can offer them to buy through your platform. So this is like all-in-one platform where users not just count how much money they save and at the same time help the environment, but also they can purchase these products through your platform, and also they can hire these professionals through your platform. So the idea number 5 is specific skill platform for freelancers that connects specialists with those who need their exact skills. Companies desperately need such specialists. I can tell you, I live in Silicon Valley and this is a huge need, but can't find them on the traditional job boards, and specialists are stuck on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr, competing with thousands of generalists and specialization racing from the bottom on price in order to make a living. So this very skill-specific platform really can be very on demand. AI can screen all the candidates, let's see, which is available on the platform, with also the request of the buyer of these skills and these services, and then instantly match. And here is how you make money with this idea. For specialists, the basic profile is free, but then they pay $49 per month for priority matching with high-paying client, customer portfolio with domain builder, and direct chat with enterprise clients. For company hiring freelancers, they pay 5% commission on each product, compared to 10% of each commission from other platforms. So it's already a better deal. And plus $99 per month for enterprise access to instant AI matching with verified experts, for quality guarantee of work, and also for integrated project management tools. It also can give you direct access to the top 1% of specialists for this specific additional subscription. From one side, one verified engineer can really earn here in a day more than freelancer in a week. At the same time, the companies really would get a quality need, because what I'm hearing from business owners, every time that they got into Fiverr or other platforms, they said me that they have to hire 3 to 5 different people in order to test them and to select which job was okay quality, and they can proceed with that. But once, for example, AI can match them, also it's very specific based on niche, really makes the difference. So the idea number 6, which you can start right now for sure, it's automated B2B lead generation software with AI tool that can find you customers for your business instantly. Sales team are spending 80% of their time just trying to find the right companies to sell to. Manual searching on LinkedIn, guessing email addresses, and many other things. So with the software, which is powered by AI, you could analyze tens of thousands companies within a couple of minutes. And also you can identify companies most likely to buy your product. This is a huge feature because if you know which companies most likely will buy your feature because they showed some interest based on their search or other things, it also can make a difference. How you can make that technology within days? You simply use API. That's it. Here's how you can make that software profitable. Start with a free trial that gives businesses about 100 verified leads, and then offer them subscription, which could be based on numbers of leads they generated. The idea number 7 is a creator economy toolset. You see, the thing is that creator economy, of course, is growing, and the proof of that you are watching my video. And from my experience, I can tell you that those content creators who are just starting this, spending 4 hours for script writing, 6 hours for editing, 3 hours for thumbnails, and many other pros. I was just shocked by the amount of work that should be invested in the channel. But here is also the opportunity which you can benefit on. You simply need to understand the whole process which small creator is going through, and then collect all the tools which can help with that. And then, for example, the idea generation, there is one tool. Yes. Then for script writing is another tool. Then for packaging, thumbnail, and title, it's another. And then you are collecting the whole, let's say, workflow. And here's how you can start with that. Go find those YouTubers who are inconsistent with their upload schedules and search for creators with good content but bad packaging. Take their latest video, turn into 7 engaging shorts, create a content idea, and write a script for that idea and design a thumbnail. Send them it for free. When they are happy about the quality of work which you've done, and offer them one-time offer for $300. And if they are happy working with you within 1 month, you can offer a monthly service where you will handle their entire content production using your AI tools. Let's say one-person business where with the help of AI, you really can work as an agency, which take you 40 hours in 1 week to make. The idea number 8 is that you can create a virtual event platform with an AI system that makes online events actually worth attending. What I mean by that? Companies are spending thousands of dollars on virtual events where half of attendees are probably checking their messages or scrolling through their social media, sitting through boring presentation and networking with awkward people. Virtual event platforms, which is powered by AI, place you into a virtual room and instantly get matched with the exact person you need to meet. Every time when I go to some event, right now in Silicon Valley, there is a lot of events. Every week I attend a couple. The thing is that you never know who is in front of you. And yes, there is right now applications where you have to register every time when you go to some large conference, and they really push you to upload another application and set up all the profile, and then you have to manually look through all people who are also registered at that platform through their profiles which they fill out. But what if it could be automatically done by AI? What if those people who are registered, they already give you some information, maybe their email, but you also can ask about their LinkedIn. And in this case, with their LinkedIn profile, you can already search and understand what is this person about. If they would like to add some additional information, yes, they can add. If they would like to add some information with whom they would like to meet, they can add even while they are purchasing the ticket. And the thing is that once they purchase, it's automatically match them. This gets them running with AI matchmaking on your platform and the basic analytics for example, 100 attendees. For enterprise clients and larger groups, you can charge about $10,000 per month for matchmaking with attendees. Or you can take a 5% of commission for every ticket which was purchased through your platform, because matchmaking platform first, but also with the feature of buying tickets through this platform. So number 9 is AI elderly care. So imagine you have a mom that lives alone and you are constantly worrying about, did she eat today? Is she feeling good? Or many other things about her health. Your phone could alert that your mom needs help, and AI could remind her about medication and even detect early signs of health problems before they become years. It's peace of mind that pays for itself by preventing only just one emergency room for the family. And how to start monetize it? So yes, first you create a product which is watching after this person. Maybe it should be like some camera, but also AI, which can be programmed based on the need of this human. You can start offer every family 14-day free trial, give full access to all the features. And if they like that, then they can subscribe for a year. How do you like? Starting from $49 per month or more, depends what you can see from your competitors. Real-time alerts about their elders, vacation reminders, health monitoring, 24/7 emergency calls. For retirement homes, you can charge about $1,000 per month for, let's say, 20 seniors. And the last but not least, my favorite idea is personalized education subscription powered by AI. Because you see right now the situation on the market is not that great. Of course, there is a part of them influenced by AI, and people are searching for specific skills because they already know which skill they have to get in order to get another promotion. So this very personalized education with AI could map out the exact path from zero to working within the company with real projects and proof skills to the employer. Companies are begging workers to get new skills connected to AI development, AI product management, and data science. Meanwhile, people waste time on YouTube tutorials or useless certification. And here is how you can turn it into a profitable business. First, we give the access to skills that they can learn to get, for example, their dream job. For example, the basic membership can start from $29 or $99, depends whatever you would like to charge. And for this price, they get customer learning paths based on job requirements, micro lessons, progress tracking and skill validation, daily accountability check. Premium members can get the subscription for about $200, and this would include some additional features like big projects from the companies, and also can have group coaching sessions with industry experts. For companies, you can also offer these packages for their workers, and it could be like $1,700 per month for 10 employees, so approximately charged with a 20% discount or 30% discount from your regular charge of the premium member. Plus, you can help people to actually get the job. Here you will work with employers, not employees, directly, and those people who really get great skills at your platform and they are interested to apply and leave their resume at your platform, then you can match them with the perfect employer who really needs the specialist. And this is the way how you can earn money. You can charge 10% of their salary. Annual salary is $100,000, then you get $10,000 for this talent. So now you've seen 10 AI startups ideas which you can apply in 2025, and some of them are really, you can build them within a week. But launching the business and finding the right idea is what 90% of entrepreneurs is doing. But they eventually do not decide to start, not because their idea is bad, because they tapped into working in their business, not on their business. So watch my next video where you can get 3-step automation system which will turn your AI idea for startup in a really scalable business.